Question 5. Lara is a skier. She completed a ski race in 1 minute 54 seconds. The race was 450 meters in length. She assumes that her average speed is the same for each race. Using this assumption, work out how long she would take to complete a 700 meter race. Give your answer in minutes and seconds. Okay, so loads of ways of doing this. 475 meters in, now I'm going to change that. I don't like that. That's minutes and stuff like that. So I'm going to do 60 plus 54 is 114 seconds. Now, bear in mind that you can make silly mistakes, especially under pressure. You know, don't forget, it's the calculator paper, use your calculator and just do that. So you get 114 seconds. So that's 114 seconds. And they want to now say, well, 700 meters. Okay, how many seconds? And that's what we want to do. Now to do this, you say, right, what did I do to get from there to there? What if I did from there to there? I do the same from there to there. So what scale did I use to get from there to there? Now scale's really good. Scale is about new over old. This is my new value, that's my old value. So I do 700 divided by 475. So 700 divided by 475 equals, and I get SD, I get 1. Let's just keep it to that one there. Oh gosh, so let's just try it again. 400 divided by 745. I just want to keep it as that, 28 over 19, because that's actually more accurate. I don't want to do rounding up errors, do I? So now, effectively, I times 114 by that, 28 over that value. Now, because I've left it in my calculator, that's handy. Times that by 114 equals. Now I get 168 seconds. And I need to convert that into minutes and seconds. So I know that 168, if I divide that by 60, I know I get, here, watch, I get 2 minutes and 0.8 of a second. Now, if I press this button here, if I press that button, that does it straight away for me. It's incredible, isn't it? This button's brilliant. Okay, so use that button, really useful. Laura's average speed actually increases the further she goes. How does this affect? Well, she's going to go quicker, isn't she? So it'll take less time. Yeah, so literally take less time. She'll do it quicker, faster time, etc. You can't say she goes faster. It's just simply that it will take less time to do. Question 6. So here we go. We've got triangle ABC, right angle triangle, 14 centimeters, 90 degrees. Angle B to angle A is 3 to 2. So the size of the angle 3, that's 3x to 2x, effectively. Work out the length AB. Okay, well, okay, I need to work out the length AB. That would be something like Pythag or trigonometry or a whole bunch of questions like that, wouldn't it? But in order to answer that, well, clearly I need to work out what the angles are first. So I need to do that. Now I know that I've got 5x, because I had 2 to 3, so 5x equals 90 degrees, because that's the remaining angles in a right angle triangle. So x, if I did 90 divided by 5, you get 18. Again, use your calculator if you need to, because I just don't trust myself anymore. So 90 divided by 5 equals 18. Boom. Now I know that's 18, so therefore that angle there is 36 degrees. And if I know that's 36, I can also work out that one if I wanted to. But let's stick with this one here. That's 36 degrees. That's 14, and it wants that length there. Now that's opposite, that's adjacent, so that must be hypotenuse. And therefore we're thinking, aren't we, SOHCAHTOA. And I want the hypotenuse, because I've got the adjacent and the angle. So the hypotenuse, in this case, it's called length AB. Length AB is going to be 14 divided by cosine 36. Now I've got to make sure that my calculator is in degree mode, and there it is, you can see the degree, so I'm okay. So I use my fraction button, 14 all over cos 36. And I've got all these brackets here, all this stuff like that. So I'm just going to close it, push the arrow there, press equals, and it gets 17.30 and wants it to 3 sig fig. So I need to make sure I leave it into 3 sig fig. And that gets you those marks. Okay, final ones to get to a 5. The table gives you information about 70 speed cards. So if I add that together, I should get 70. And it says draw a frequency polygon with this information. So you've got to remember what a frequency polygon is. Okay, we need to find the midpoints because we don't know where else to locate it. So the midpoints will be 5, 15, 25, and 35. So they're your midpoints, and then I need to go up. So 5 goes up to 14. Make sure you're reading your axes ready. 15 goes up to 18. 25 goes up to 26. That's the bell. And 35 goes to 12. And then simply connect the points together using a ruler, not like I've done there. And it's got to connect properly. Okay, so hopefully that's it. And yeah,